Hello everyone, welcome to lecture number 42. So we are continuing with the topic of missing data. Now let us begin with this question number 1. The question number 1 says examine the following three figures in which the numbers follow a specific pattern. Now this specific pattern is actually difficult to identify in exam. I'm not creating that fear within you, but why it is difficult? Because it is just by luck, or if you have practiced those questions, or you have that aptitude skill to identify what would be the logic here. So I would suggest you कि okay, 1 minute should be your try for these questions. You won't find many, but 1 minute से ज्यादा आप इसको try मत कीजिए. So you shouldn't try it more than 1 minute because it will kill your time. And once you get attached to such questions and you spend a amount of time, then you realize that you have wasted say 5 to 6 minutes, where you could do some other questions also where you can find a solution to it by using the methods or the formulas. But here it is all about that hit and trial that you're going to use to find the solution. Like in this question, see 84 14 12 81 8 9 88 11, यहाँ पे आपको निकालना है कि okay, what is the missing number. So what you're going to do, what I gonna do here is I wanna see, okay, this is into 7, sorry, into 6, this is into 7. Okay, there is some sense. Okay, 14 into 6, it is making some sense. 12 into 7, so whatever is multiplied here, इसके बाद +1 करके यहाँ पे multiplication. Now I don't find anything here. Here, although I find that a 9, so यहाँ पे 8 आना चाहिए, but 8 is not a right fit here, so this fails. Now whatever try remains, I will try. So if by luck you get the right choice, then only you can hit the question. Okay, so the only thing that I can do here is to tell you ki what is the solution. Nothing else can be done. But yes, one thing I can say ki okay, this is 14 into 12. I can do this since I have some level of aptitude in this case. Okay, I have played with numbers for so many years, so I get a sense that okay, 14 into 12, it will be, this will be 28, this will be 14, 168. So 168 divided by 2, you will get 84. Got it? Similarly, I will try this 18, 9. What I will do? I will do 18 into 9, 162. 162 divided by 2, it will be 81. Similarly, if the number becomes alpha, what I'm going to do is 11 alpha divided by 2 has to be 88. Now 11 gets cancelled, 88 gets cancelled by 11, that is 8, so alpha becomes 16. So your answer is 16, or you can take x. Got it? So this is the solution here. I cannot help you in this case. It is all about playing with the numbers. Safe choices. If you're not able to find it, leave it, go and apply some other, go and do some other questions, or say RC. Okay. Now let us go to the next question. This is second question. These are easy questions. This question is an easy question because you have something to sense, okay, something, some logic to use, then only you can do it. Okay, यहाँ पे कोई hit and trial नहीं है. Now see, a circle here, circle here, circle here. Square precedes the circle. Circle at the alternate position, square at the alternate position. So after square, you will get a circle. Straight away, you can eliminate option C. Now see the rotation. Rotation. Okay. This rotation is in clockwise direction. Got it? Clockwise rotation. This is anti-clockwise rotation. This is some extra X. Okay, this is some X type rotation. Clockwise and anti-clockwise mix. Again, a clockwise follows, an anti-clockwise follows, then a X. Then here what you will get? You will get a clockwise. So where is a clockwise rotation? That is option A. So you get the answer as A. Done. There is no hit and trial here. Clear? Got it? Let us proceed to the next question. Question number 3. Examine the following figure. Which one of the following figure has the above figure embedded in it? Matlab this figure should be present in the solution. Now straight away you can see here, this diagram is present. Clear? So you get the answer as C. No maths involved. Coming to question number 4. Consider the following matrix. Which one of the following matrix fits into the blank part of the above matrix? Now see, this figure, you have two arrows. In the second case, the first arrow is as it is, the second arrow is flipped. Now the first arrow is flipped and the second arrow is also flipped. So what happens here? First figure to second figure, what change you see? You see that the first element or the first arrow is as it is. So here what you're gonna get here is this arrow will stay as it is. So option D is eliminated. Now the second arrow is flipped. Here you can see the second arrow is flipped. So here if you flip it, you get it like this. So your option would be this. The answer is B. Got it? Let us proceed to the next problem. Consider the following figure, again X diagram or the table in which the numbers bear certain relationship among themselves along the rows. Now see here you can identify this is 13, 18 is the sum here is 31 minus 2 equals to 29. This you're gonna find. Here you can see it will be 27 plus 3 that is 30 minus 0 equals to 30. So you can see this is sum of the second one. Here the logic is 2 plus 3 minus 0, 2 plus 3 minus 1, 2 plus 3 minus 2. Got it? Clear? Or you can say 1 plus 2 is equals to 2 plus 3. 1 plus 3, 1 plus 1 equals to 2 plus 3. 1 plus 0 equals to 2 plus 3. What does this 1, 2, 3 signify? The position 1, position 2, position 3. Clear? So here what you will get 19 plus x minus 1 should be equals to 33. So you can find 19 plus x equals to 34. Hence you can find that x 15. Got it? 19 plus 15 is 34 minus 1 you will get 33. Clear? Let us proceed to the next problem, that is question number 6. Easy questions apart that the first one. 2 squares, 3 squares, 4 squares. 1 square is added to the next to the series side by side. Here 1 square, 1, my bad. It is 2 triangles, 3 triangles, 4 triangles. 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangles. 0 triangle, 1 triangle, 2 triangles. Clear? So you will get 2 triangles like this. So this option eliminated, this option eliminated. Option A or option B. Now you can see number of circles here is 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0 circles. So answer will be A. Got it? Coming to question number 7. Consider the following figures, find the next one. What you can see here is the diagram here and the diagram here. What is the change? This figure getting flipped. This figure is getting flipped. This figure is getting flipped. This figure is getting flipped. What is the change from this to this? This one comes here. Got it? This one comes here after the flip case. This one comes here. This one goes here. This one goes to here and this one goes to here. We can also, we have to solve this by saying this one, that one. So you have to pay some patience here. See the arrows, what I am doing. First one, say second one, flip case. Second, say third one, shifting case. Now from here to here, again flip will work. See the flip. This getting flipped, this getting flipped, this getting flipped, this getting flipped. Now shifting will happen. The first one will go to the second one. So the choice here will be like this in the second one. And this has to be painted and this has to be painted. Which is the right choice here? You can clearly see the option B is the only case available here. Okay, so your answer would be B. Got it? Clear? So with this, we come to an end to this lecture. We'll see you again in the next lecture, that is from this one, which is lecture number 43. So I hope you are enjoying it. We'll see you again in the next class. Till then, have a great day. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone. Jai Hind.